Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install Grammarly on laptop for free. So firstly open any website. Now here search Grammarly for Windows. If you using Windows system, so select or type here Grammarly for Windows and click on this link Grammarly for Windows. It's a official link for Grammarly. Now here click on get Grammarly. Sign up with your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple ID. So this is the sign up process complete. Here click on apps. Now here click on apps. Then you will see Grammarly for Windows. So if you see this option installed, so click on it, or you will see this option reinstalled. So click on it. If you are first time, so you will see install option, and if you installed before and for any reason you uninstalled, so now you will see reinstalled. So just click on it, reinstall. Once downloading process complete, double click on this Grammarly, setup file. So now you have this Grammarly and sign in. So you will see automatically one browser is open. So continue and open Grammarly. So this is the way guys you can download and install Grammarly to your Windows 11 or any laptop. There is the two version free and premium. Free features grammar, spelling, and also you can compare with premium version. There are some more features. So select continue for free. Now start using Grammarly. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the method to install Grammarly in any laptop. Share, like and subscribe this channel. If you're facing any errors, comment. I will try to resolve it.